is going to be the recording for Monday or Tuesday, depending on when you have class. We are starting our next unit, which is going to be thermal energy. And so with Amplified, with every new unit, we have to take the pretest. And that is important because that gives us kind of a baseline of where we started, and we kind of keep track of the data as we go through to see how you've improved. And you can see from the module for this week, everything's set up. On Wednesday and Thursday, don't forget that you have map testing. So I will not see you on Wednesday. You will be reporting to your language arts teacher on Wednesday for your map test. And then obviously today or Tuesday, depending on, like I said, which period you have me, you will notice that you have your homepage as always, and you have your things hyperlinked. So if you're watching this later, that attendance probably doesn't matter. But I have linked in here the multiple choice and both short answers. So everything is linked in here for you, so you can click and go to it. You can see down here I specified how I'm going to grade it. So I'm going to do it as a completion grade, not accuracy. Meaning that if you try your best and you complete it and get it all done, you will get all your points. If you get a 0 on it, that will probably tell me that you didn't try very hard. So make sure you put in some effort. And it's also super important because these pre-tests are very similar to your post-tests, the ones that you take at the end of the unit. So you really want to kind of take your time, read the questions, kind of figure out what you're going to be learning about so you can kind of start preparing yourself for the unit and kind of for the end of the unit test. Even though it seems far away, it's kind of a good idea to kind of prepare yourself ahead of time to kind of figure out what you need to learn. On these short answers, obviously you're doing all the multiple choice. On the short answers, just a couple sentences, a sentence or two. You don't have to go crazy and write a full paragraph because it is a pretest. But if you want to jot down some ideas on these two questions, that would be good. Like I said, I'm not looking for, a whole novel, just a couple sentences on each, and you will get your credit. And that is that. Please make sure, and I'm going to go to the home page here, the real home page. Please make sure that if you have not done so, I need you to turn in your 2021 Visions assignment. And so you can see the due date is on Wednesday, but I don't see you on Wednesday. So this is your reminder. If you have turned it in, I've already graded the ones that are turned in, but please make sure you are turning that in. That was the first day in the grade book, so you want to make sure you start off on the right foot. But other than that, short and sweet. We did some stuff where we brainstormed things we already knew about thermal energy, but obviously if you're watching this recording, you can't do that, but make sure that pretest is complete, and that is that.